Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to claim your Pixeltap airdrop. So the first thing you need to do is you need to have a open a BitGet exchange, a BitGet wallet. A BitGet account, or you open a Bybit account. So inside your BitGet account, on the top left hand side there's a box sign just beside the search icon. Click on it, then you click on Web3. So after clicking on Web3, on the top right hand side there's it is written default wallet. Make sure it is default wallet, make it default so you can see all of you can get access to all of different cryptocurrency and their network. So that's why I want you make it default. So now you click on receive. Click on receive and type USDT. On the token name, type USDT. Select the one of Ethereum. That's the first one. Select the one having Ethereum logo. Then you copy wallets. You copy the wallet address like this. USDT. It is USDT you have to copy. USDT received from Ethereum mainnet. Please note, it is not on Trono, Ethereum. So now you open your Pixeltap. Open your Pixeltap and click on the very top of your screen. You will see a wallet icon just beside a question mark icon and the language icon. So click on the wallet. The wallet is very close to your name, to your Telegram username you are using. My own is I am Sadiq Latif, as you can see. So the next icon is the wallet icon. So you select BitGet depending on the one you're using. Like I said earlier, you can either use BitGet wallet or you use Bybit. So I'm using BitGet. So you click on BitGet and you said yes, I have it, because I've created my account. If you have not created your account, you can also create your account clicking on create account. But because I've created my account, so you click on yes, I have it. Then you paste the wallet address. Then you click on made it. It's going to take a little while depending on the strength of your network before the wallet is effectively recognized. So I've done this before. I guess that's the reason why it's saying invalid address. So after you're done doing that, so come back to the main screen. You see the claim button. So just click on claim. Click on next, and you see your claim. You see your Pixel token. Then you can click on claim. So if you are currently seeing 0 Pixeltap at the moment, it is because there's been a lot of backlog of people claiming. So a lot of people they are trying to, the developers are still doing a lot of work to make sure that everyone gets his token. So if you are seeing 0 token at the moment, just give it some time. The Pixar team have updated people saying we should all give it some time. I think you still have up to 25 on July 25 before you can claim. And note, you can only claim 10% of your token. So the remaining allocations is going to be on the pool, on the liquidity pool, just to support the project. So that's all you need to do. So I hope you do understand this one. So if you